Applying foundation with your fingers. This is the second video in a series about ways to apply liquid and cream foundation to the skin of the face. Many makeup artists prefer this method of applying foundation. It is easier to apply tone with your fingers into the corners of the lips and into the depressions near the wings of the nose. But even when applying foundation with your fingers, a certain skill and speed are required to obtain an even layer. The layer turns out to be quite dense. To begin with, the tone is applied to the skin pointwise, then shaded over the surface of the skin along massage lines, after which the foundation is, as it were, driven into the skin with small patting movements of the fingers. If necessary, foundation is applied to the eyelids, as in this particular case. Sometimes it needs to be applied to the neck and décolleté. This is usually done to even out the color of the skin. After the foundation has been absorbed, creamy or liquid correctors, shadows, and blush are applied on top of it. If you, like us, use dry decorative cosmetics, then first the tone is primed with powder, and only then can you apply the rest of the products.